Thanks for coming back again to the Treehouse Classroom. I'm Allison. In today's classroom, we visit our local park. Maybe you've watched some of our other episodes and thought, well, I don't have a bay to go to, or the mountains, or some of the other really cool places that we have made into our Treehouse Classroom. But today we just go to our local park. And surely everybody has a local park. You can turn playtime into learning time anywhere. So today's classroom is actually in a tree, right? Wave! You look thrilled. Would you rather be in a desk? No. We did our regular math lessons inside at our desk today, but it's just too nice to not enjoy some of this beautiful weather, and the boys have a lot of extra energy today, so we decided to come out here to the park. About before, there are not nearly enough objects in the Kuiper Belt to explain all the shortcuts that we see today. So here's what the Kuiper Belt looks like. Can you see that? The Kuiper Belt is a lot like the asteroid belt, but the objects in it are much larger and larger. They look a lot like comet nuclei. The objects in the Kuiper Belt look a lot like Pluto. Pluto's mass is so small that its gravity is very weak. The gravitational pull that Pluto exerts on Neptune is simply not large enough. In our study of the solar system, we learned about Pluto today, but instead of doing it inside on a beautiful day like this, we went outside and the boys climbed a tree while I read their science lesson to them about Pluto. Okay, the Mongol conquest of China. Remember we're talking about Genghis Khan, right? When Genghis Khan died, the Mongols ruled an enormous... Francis Marion. We named our school after him, Francis Marion Academy. Yep. So these are all the things that have been found in Morgan Park.
This is a shark tooth.
Yep. All this brown grass is about to turn green. Little green shoots down there. What do you see?
See, that's a type of...
What did you find? So we had a lot of classroom activities outside today. In our town, this little park is near the water, and we have some walking trails and exercise stations and some really great climbing trees. And now they're at their favorite spot at the bay playing on the shore. Now you may be wondering, do these folks at the Treehouse Classroom ever really get down to some serious book work? Yes, we certainly do. We have a lot of books. Our shelves are actually bursting with books, but our curriculum does not involve strictly books. We need to take those books and the things that we've learned in the books and bring them outside into their lives and show them how a living idea does apply to what they've learned in their books. Right now we're studying the medieval period in history, and that's been a really exciting time period for my students, for my boys. We've been able to read Robin Hood, The Door in the Wall, and other literary works that pertain to the medieval period. And the boys have been able to see how, whether it's historical fiction or facts, that those stories can come alive to them. They can learn things from them and actually play with the ideas that they've learned. They made some bow and arrows after reading Robin Hood, and they've even done some wood carving after reading The Door in the Wall. Spending Monday through Thursday this week doing a lot of indoor schoolwork. So today is Friday, and we are enjoying it outside at the park.
I'm Alexander. I'm going to show you how to pop a feather. So, if you're going to shoot
We found lots of true, good, and beautiful things in our outdoor classroom today. We hope you'll come back next time to check out our next Treehouse Classroom. And if you liked this episode, please click the like button and subscribe. We'll see you next time.